Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to create custom fields in Salesforce. Before starting, let me share you how you can search me on YouTube. You can type my name in the search box and my channel will be available. There you can watch the various videos related to the Salesforce. So let's move forward and discuss about the custom fields in Salesforce. In my previous video that I created on the custom object in Salesforce Lightning, that is a subject object. Now I am going to create some fields for that object. So first we will discuss about the custom fields in Salesforce. Custom fields in Salesforce allows you to tailor standard Salesforce objects like accounts, contacts, opportunities, or custom objects to meet the specific needs of your businesses. These fields can store a variety of data types and can be used in reports, dashboards, and various other Salesforce functionality. Now proceed further. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning Edition. Now let me go to the app launcher and then click on the view all option and search for the university app we already created here. Now let me open this app in the new tab and our university app is open and here you can see the subject tab is available related to the subject object. So if I click on this, our subject record page is open. Now I click on the new button and it will not show any field. It shows only one field that is created at the time of object creation. Now we are going to create some fields for this object. So firstly we go to the setup. So we click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option. Now our setup page is open. Now click on the object manager tab and then enter the subject object in the search box and then click on the subject object. Our subject object page is open. Now on the left side we can see there is a detail section present and under this detail section there is an option present fields and relationship. Click on this fields and relationship and it will redirect us to the fields and relationship page. Now you can see single field that is created when we creating the object subject number and it is the auto number field and the remaining fields are automatically generated. Now we create the new field so we click on the new button and it will redirect us to the new custom field page. Now here we choose the field type which is specific the type of the information that the custom will contain. Now here we select the text data type field. This time we created the text data type that allows the user to enter any combination of letters and number. After selecting the text checkbox, now click on the next button. Now we move to our step second, that is enter the details related to the field. So firstly fill the field label and here we are giving the field label as subject name and then enter the length and here we are entering the length as a 50 and the field name is automatically populated and then enter the description if you want to enter, otherwise leave it as it is. And here we are entering the description as this field will contain subject name and then enter the help text which is subject name and then scroll down and here you can see there is a required field checkbox that always required a value in this field in order to save the record. If you want this field required whenever you create a new record, then you can check this checkbox. Otherwise, leave it as it is. And then you can also check the unique question about the duplicate values. And you can also treat this as a case insensitive and the case sensitive. And you can also check the external ID checkbox that set this field as the unique record identifier from an external system. And there is a auto add to custom report type checkbox that can add this field to existing custom report types that contain this entity. Now scroll down and there is a default value field in which we can set the default value for this field. We can choose the formula syntax, that is enclosed text and pick list value, API names in double quotes. The text include number without quotes, that is 25, show percentages as a decimal, that is 0, 10, and express date calculation in the standard format, that is today plus 7. To reference a field from a custom metadata type record, use this dollar custom metadata dot type underscore mdt dot record API name dot field underscore c. We can also choose the formula syntax from here by clicking on this, and it will redirect us to this elements of a formula page, and you can read this, and you can help this page to set the default formula. But this time we cannot set any default value, and we hit the next button. Now our next step is to establish the field level security. Select the profile to which we grant the edit access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profile if you do not add it to the field level security. We can see there are two options present from the field level security for profile, visible and read only. If we select the read only, this field will be available only, but you cannot edit this field. If you don't click on the read only field, and you can choose the visible checkbox for this profile, you can also read this field and also edit this field. And here, if you want to make it visible for all the profiles, so you can check this checkbox. And now this is visible for the all profile, and you can also edit these fields. Now scroll down and hit the next button. Now our next step is to adding this field to the page layout. So we have one page layout, that is subject object. If you want automatically to add this field to the page layout, so you can check this checkbox. Otherwise, you can also uncheck this checkbox. But this time we want to add this field to the page layout, so that's why we click on the checkbox and hit the save button. And you can see that our subject name field is created successfully. The field name is subject underscore name underscore c, and the field label will be the subject name, and the data type is text, and the argument inside the data type is 50. If we click on the new button, our new subject dialog box is open, and here you can see, one field is available, that is a subject name, and this is the help text where we enter the subject name, and here I enter the subject name as a Salesforce. After entering the subject name, we click on the save button, and here we go. You can see the subject number is automatically generated, and the subject name is Salesforce, and this is the owner that created this report, and that created by this, and the last modified by this. This way we can create the fields on an object in Salesforce. If you want to create more fields, so go back to the object and then click on the new button, and then again select the field type, and here we are selecting the currency field type this time. That's allow the user to enter a dollar or other currency amount, and automatically formats the fields as a currency amount. This can be useful if you export data to Excel or another spreadsheet. After choosing the field type, click on the next button, and then enter the details again. Enter the field label as a subject piece, and then giving the length as a 18 and decimal place as 0, and enter the field name which is automatically generated. Then enter the description. This field will contain the subject fees. Subject fees. And then scroll down. If you want this field required, then check the required checkbox. And if you want to set the default value, then you can set the default value as 0.0, and then hit the next button. Now establish the field level security. Select the profile to which you want to grant the edit access to this field via field level security. We want to visible this field to all the profiles. So we click on the visible checkbox and hit the next button. Now add this field to the page layout. So that's why we click on this checkbox subject layout and hit the save button. And here we go. Our subject field is created successfully. And the field name is a subject underscore fee underscore C. And the field label is subject fees. And the data type is currency. If you want to see this field, then click on the subject tab. And then again click on the new button. Refresh this page. And here we go. The subject fees field is created successfully. You can enter the fees related to the subject and also enter the name of the subject and then hit the save button. And here we go, our subject record is created. Subject number is automatically generated. Subject name is this and the subject field is this. This is how you can create the fields on an object in Salesforce Lightning. So with this, we have learned how to create custom fields in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.